Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best botanical dog paw healing salve on the market, the Animal Bar Organic Soothing Salve for dogs and cats. Whether you're dealing with cracked paws, itchy skin, or minor wounds, this is the go-to natural remedy that every pet parent should have on hand. Let's start with what makes this salve stand out. It's not just another balm on the shelf. This one is vet-formulated. That means real veterinarians have carefully designed it to help with minor cuts, bug bites, abrasions, and everyday skin irritations. No guesswork, just gentle, science-backed care. The magic is in the ingredients. It features a powerful blend of organic botanicals, calendula, chamomile, mullein, and plantain, all working in harmony with beeswax to nurture your pet's sensitive skin. Each of these ingredients has been used for centuries for their healing properties. Calendula, in particular, is known for speeding up wound recovery and reducing inflammation, while chamomile helps soothe irritation and redness. If your dog has dry, cracked paws or a dry, flaky nose, this salve provides instant relief and moisture without any harsh chemicals. It's great for calming hot spots, rashes, and those mysterious red patches that seem to pop up after a long walk or a day at the park. But here's a huge plus: it's completely lick-safe. That means if your dog tries to sneak a taste after you apply it, there's no need to panic. It's organic and non-toxic, offering peace of mind with every use. Unlike other ointments that might include synthetic fragrances or fillers, the Animal Bar has zero unnecessary additives. Just clean, effective ingredients straight from nature. The packaging also deserves a shout-out. It comes in a sturdy, reusable 2-ounce glass jar. No plastic here. It's an eco-conscious choice that aligns with a more sustainable lifestyle, something we love to highlight here on Product Critique. So not only are you caring for your pet, you're also caring for the planet. It's also proudly handcrafted in the USA with USDA-certified organic ingredients. That's another layer of assurance that what you're applying to your pet's skin meets a high standard of quality and purity. So, to wrap it up, the Animal Bar Organic Soothing Salve is more than just a pet care product. It's a gentle, natural first aid solution. From cracked paws to minor scrapes, it's safe, effective, and sustainable. If you're looking for something that reflects the love you have for your pets while staying true to nature, this salve checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. That helps you make smarter choices for your furry family members. See you next time.